Hey, this is Ernest with UpFix. Today we're going to be going over some of your questions. Make sure to like, subscribe us on Facebook, Instagram, and on our YouTube channel. Here's a question from Mark, and this is on our YouTube channel. He says, hey, I have a 2013 Honda Civic. On my instrument cluster, the mileage is blank, and the VSA system indicator light is permanently on. I also replaced my ECU with the one I bought on eBay and threw away the old one. What can I do, and should I send in my instrument cluster panel or my ECU to upfix.com? The first thing is Mark has mentioned that he now has mileage that no longer shows. So what we would want to find out is what had happened to the original engine computer and why they had thrown it away. One thing we want to make sure that nobody, as far as customers do, is throw away their original parts, whether that's an original cluster, an original ECU, anything. Original parts are coded from the manufacturer to your vehicle. Even if it has internal failure, it still has valuable data that can be cloned onto the replacement, such as the immobilizer, the VIN number, your information as far as mileage, how it communicates with the sensors. You want to make sure that if you are getting a replacement, do not throw away the original at any cost. Keep it as a backup. The VSA light being on is a vehicle stability assist, and that's Honda's way of saying, hey, we're going to keep you safe on the road. It's an additional thing to the ABS system that they try to integrate into their vehicles. It could be a soft code and non-related to the odometer not showing up, but since he says that with the cluster, I'm assuming from this question the cluster is original, but he simply replaced the ECU and now the mileage disappeared and the VSA light is on. So I think that most likely with this one, he is going to probably have to get it scanned and seeing what VIN number is showing up on the ECU. We can always take a look inside the ECU as far as programming is concerned, and we do what's called engine computer programming. So we can clone your original onto a replacement, but we would need your original ECU to clone the information. If the original is unavailable, then you can send in the replacement with the VIN number. We might be able to program the VIN number and immobilizer onto the replacement, but it is always the best scenario to have the original one so we can clone it. Once he gets the VIN number and immobilizer into the replacement ECU, the VSA light should be cleared and the odometer should come back on. Now the odometer information is not stored in the ECU, it's stored in the cluster for this particular year, make and model, but because there's a communication issue, that's probably why his mileage is not showing up and he has that VSA light code, diagnostic soft code. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and our Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let us know if you guys want to see anything else. Any kind of questions you guys have, let us know, and we'll see you next time.